Hi everyone, I'm Flora Uzoka. Managing your money in QuickBooks Online is easy when you know the right tools. Today, I will show you when to create an invoice, how to create one, how to enter a new customer on the fly, and how to record customer payments. Plus, I will cover when to use sales receipt and how to create one. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be tracking your money like a pro. Let's jump in. You should create an invoice whenever you sell a product or service, but don't get paid right away. For example, if you complete a job for a client and they will pay you in 30 days, send them an invoice. This way, QuickBooks tracks what they owe and you can follow up on overdue payments. So let me show you how to create an invoice. To create an invoice, go to the left navigation bar, click on the plus new icon here, select invoice. Now let's add the customer. If this is a brand new customer, no problem. Click the customer drop down, click on add new, and enter the name of the customer. Let's say the name of the customer is Matthew James. Then click save. You can enter more details. If you have more details about the customer, you can enter more information about the customer. Then you click save. So select the payment terms. Let's say it's net 15. Enter the invoice date. 12th of January. Let's say it's 12th of January 2025. Select the product and service. Or if it's a new product, you can click on add new to enter a new product. So let's select the product here. So you see QuickBooks automatically populated the fields with the information that was already entered into it. So check that the information is correct, cross-check that information is okay, everything is okay. Then you click save and send to send it to the customer. Click save and send. But in this case, we're going to click save and close because we don't want to send it. So once your customer pays, you need to record the payment in QuickBooks. To do this, go to the plus new and select receive payment. So type in the name of the customer, Matthew Jones. Enter the payment date. Let's say they paid you on the 30th of so they paid on the 30th. Enter the payment method. Select the payment method from the drop down arrow. Enter the reference number if you have a reference number. Then select the bank, the account. Click on the invoice. If you have multiple invoice for the customer, select the invoice. Then click on save and close. So to use a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online, it's for payments that are sales that are paid for immediately. If a customer pays for the service you provided or the product you sold to them at the point of sale, you use a sales receipt to record the payment. So unlike an invoice which track money onto you, a sales receipt records income immediately. This is great for cash sales, retail transactions, or when customer pay on the spot. So let me show you how to create a sales receipt. To create a sales receipt, click on the plus new, click on sales receipt, enter the name of the customer. Let's use the same customer, Matthew. Enter the date. This was the 1st of February. Enter the payment method. Enter the reference number if you have one. Then you're going to select the account. If you're ready to put the money into the account, your bank account, select current. But if you're not ready, put it in your deposited funds account. The deposited funds account, it's a temporary holding account. It's used to record payments received before they are deposited into the bank. In this case, we are ready to put it into the account. So we select current account, select the product. This is employee celebration. Check that everything is correct. You click save and close, or if you want to send, click save and send. We're going to click save and close because we want to close it. And there you have it. Now you know when to create an invoice, how to track customer payments, and when to use sales receipt. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more QuickBooks tips. If you have any question, drop them in a comment. I would love to help. See you in the next video.